more electricity and money. Our project is mainly the web interface with hardware link, and that is using IOT. We know what is IOT. IOT is physical devices connected in a network, and that is our main concept we have used here. And this is our kit, which consists of a communication modem, and it contains of a SIM. It uses the same mechanism as of GSM network.
This is three-phase energy meter, and this is transformer, and this is a digital board to see the settings and to read the meters. And we have attached two bulbs for AC 1 and 2.
This is a live dashboard which shows us the device is connected, and it is shown using the GPR status. These are all the status of the ACs, AC1, AC2 fans, and also the ATM ID and SEMS ID. And the next one is our master nodes, where we give
The master module consists of two sub-modules, ATM master and asset master. ATM master consists of details like in which state, which district, and which all the banks consist of that energy device, and what are the phases load, R phase, Y phase, and B phase currents are measured. And the next module is asset master. This master helps to know what the star rating, number of units that measured in the meter, and what ton of AC is that, and the remarks can be noted here. The reports. The report module consists of four submodules: energy consumption, asset details, instant details, and tamper. The energy consumption shows the details of which state, which district, which area, and which bank, which ATM ID, and from date and to date. This is for last synchronization. When we click that view, we will be displayed all the details from the energy consumed till now. And next is asset details. This asset details shows And next comes the asset details, where we can see the measurements of ATM ID, product ID, and what are the products: CFL, AC1, LED, tube lights, and AC2, and how many watts used, number of units, and star ratings, and how many ton AC, and P phase, and the remarks. Remarks for especially AC1 is not working, 2 LED not working, like that we can give. And the next module is instant details. Instant details, if we click this view, we can see a complete page where we can see the phase type and the bank name, ATM name, and the running mode of temperatures, and current temperature measured in that meter. And next comes the tamper details. This is an important feature we have added in this project, where we can see if anyone tampers the current. It consists of R phase, Y phase, and B phase. It is measured in this meter, and we will by default we will give the readings of actual load of R phase, Y phase, and B phase. If there is a major fluctuation between these two, and we can find that someone has tampered the current.
The next is the scheduler settings. Scheduler settings, and the scheduler settings is the main concept for our project. In scheduler settings, we are doing the timings for the AC1 and AC2 and other things, so that we could save energy. In this, we are setting there are two modes, that is night mode and day mode, which tells us about the timings. Instead of AC, we have used bulbs over here. So now the AC1 is on, which shows that the bulb is on. And in scheduler settings, if I give us AC2 also on, then the AC2 will also be on, and instead of AC, we have shown the power supply in bulbs.
They consist of different ports for different products, and one port is for AC1, one port is for AC2, and fan, tube light, LED, and these ports work for all those products. And next is AC on-off setting.
AC on-off settings is there are two modes in this hardware. One mode is the the manual mode and the other is auto mode, that is my using web interface. The manual mode is done using the kit while this maintenance. While the maintenance map, next is our map, and it shows the position. Map next is shows the position of the devices and also its status. It's in which place it is located. What is the status of the AC and what is the main location. That are the 5 modules of this project. And this now the time is over for the AC1 to get off, and it automatically goes off. And now again the conclusion of the project is we can save energy using IOT, so that the information is also, the energy conservation and money is also done properly.